This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Bratisha Governor. Don't miss out. This beautiful 4-bedroom, 2-bath single-story home features a split floor plan, no carpet and all tile throughout. Additionally, the yard is fenced in and has a small deck perfect for you to enjoy. Patio furniture can be left. The master bathroom features 2 sinks and a walk-in closet with built-ins, not pictured for owner's privacy. Owner is HGV friendly. Schedule your showing today. For more information, review the details below.